Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again. I guess it's about time I try to clean off my table, and I wanted to try some of these cat toys and see if they work. I have a Tonka also, but see how much snow is really here. Whoa, that's what I was hoping was going to happen. We can just get some of that out of the way, like nice little section right there. Oh yeah, this is working well. That's a nice dozer right there. This would take all day. When we get back to the houses, I'd be like, you know, or this way. Look at that. They are all really cool working toys. Every little boy needs a snow table. Let's see what else we got here. We got this guy right here. Oh, we got this guy right here too. He's got to get down. Push some snow off. All right, let's see this guy right here. We got to get him down there first. Let's go this direction. Whoa, my dump. There must be something different. Oh, there we go. We got to take that first, like that. I got it. All right, let's try that again. Put it down. All the way down. Come on. All right, ready? Boy, I'm terrible at this. All right, this first, then this one, then this one. I stink. Well, we could do it like when I'm 10 years old, and I just do it manually, like this. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I like these little toys. All right, now let's see how much chunks we can get off. Don't want to ruin my new table. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping it didn't get ruined. I don't know why I brought a steamroller out here. Look like all the other toys. All right, ready? We're up to the cars right there. Hopefully there's no cars stuck to the snow. Nice. Where's that good one? I think this one is the good one. Nice. Oh, make sure there's no cars stuck in that. Nope. Oh my. I'll bring all these cars in. I'll dry them off. Then what I do is I take a little Q-tip and I use motor oil, because I have one thing of motor oil I use to oil my toys with. And I just dip a Q-tip in there, and I'll get in each wheel just in case they want to rust on me. Most of these cars are brand new, so they shouldn't rust. But if I leave them wet like this, we have another snowstorm coming today. So this is my last chance to get this cleaned up. We have a big one coming. It's supposed to start tonight. It's supposed to be raining right now. It's supposed to start tonight and then continue until Wednesday. That's pretty crazy. Thought we were done with it for this year, but we have seen a nor'easter on April 1st before. Oh, what did I get here? A nice truck came up in that one. All right, my sleeves are too long here. Let me get this shirt off. Hope you guys aren't getting too bored. I got my new Vote for Pedro shirt. All right, what do we got under here? Definitely got cars under here. There's a couple right there. And a wooden block. I like my wooden block. Alright, let me see what else we can get out of here. Don't forget to vote for Pedro. I know you guys can't see me back here, but I do have a Vote for Pedro shirt on right now. Let me see if I can show you actually. Alright, let's bring this back over here. Get this up like that. And then we'll try to get the rest of that snow off. I do want to do an unboxing before I'm done. Here's my Pedro shirt. I was really concerned about this truck the most. And my actual table. I don't want the table getting ruined. But this truck right here, I love that truck. Alright, we have that. I'm gonna give this stuff a sweep. Thank you everybody that tuned in to check out this video. We're about ready to do some drifting on a wet table. So tune in for the next video. It will be an unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And until next time, T10 out.